through the spine. In the halls where questions never sleep, A awakens, knowledge runs deep. Notebook on the memory we build, 50 sources strong, a library distilled. Notes become maps, voices guide the way. Post-its of the future, lighting up the day. Great power, great responsibility. My superpower shaping our reality. In every row, in every line, knowledge amplified, redefined. We hold the code, we set it free. With careful hands and clarity, this is the dawn of a new ability. Great power, great responsibility. Gems awake like stars in code, custom minds on a secret road. Storybooks help us tailored light, bots that learn to read and write. Gemini whispers with a million tokens, every prompt a door flung open. But wisdom's in the questions we compose. Delete the clutter, clear the slate. Headers tight, columns straight. Skip, erase, mistakes undone. A script is written, the cleanup's begun. Notepad open, copy, paste. AI writes code, no time to waste. Run, authorize, execute, flow. In seconds, clean data starts to glow. Week-long dashboards, crushed in a day. AI Studio finds a faster way. Crosswalks rise like digital towers. Vibe coding ignites hidden powers. 4 data sets, languages collide. Summaries built, dashboards glide. Local apps, secure and lean. Educators coding like a dream. Great power, great responsibility. Our superpower shaping our reality. In every chart, in every key, teachers building tools with ease. Then we hold the code, we set it free. With careful hands and clarity, this is the dawn of a new ability. Great power, great responsibility. We all have our own developer now. Delegate or verify. The future's in your prompt. Great power, great responsibility.